Hey guys, and I'm back to another video, and I'm just gonna show you I'm back, and this is my new calculator. I have hard to say it, but it's a new thing I got, but it's really helpful. And I'm gonna show you how to use it today. And I'm back for making other videos. Why I have not making more videos is why I'm making videos games. Video games. Yes, so let's start with you press D. This is the This is the on button. As you press that, you will see this activates, and you can just press a certain number, and the number will stay there. And then I press plus 4, and you go here, you press on this to see what it gives. 97. I know this is a little bit awkward. So, the way to change you want mine to be at 0 again. Press on the on button again, and you can do like 9, 6, 2, 4, 3, and let's test that out. It's 588, I think. If you want to turn it off, when you are done with, when you are done, you can see it. It's 316. When you want to turn it off, you just press this blue button, and then boom, you can see there's no more screen. But if you press that button, I don't know what will happen. Okay, we will press right. Okay, I do string a sort of number, and this is a better one instead. Just turn it on again. It's give 6, 400 and 900 and 719. So just press the green button. Yeah, the green button will slowly pick it away. See? Oh my god. Okay, so I probably think this will work. Yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. But I heard me to do some more learning, and then for I just seeing about it. This is 5,000 and oh wait, what? This is actually 15,000 and 1,540 health for the health. So that is the of the video today, and I'm gonna when I being oh no, and now I can remember. Someday I will make this the playlist I told you. The playlist I'm just gonna do soon, where I do a range of videos with my dogs, and yeah. So did that. Yeah, I don't know why I just pressed 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. That's why I'm gonna. I know this is gonna give 0. No, it's not. I don't know about that. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm back. Yeah, and I will see you tomorrow, I think, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will say goodbye. I hope you enjoyed this video, and you can make you can play with your friends. Ball is basics like that, but it's just this. It's hanging on it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.